So now we will create the transportation line. Basically, this transportation line we are getting from the purchase info records. In the purchase info records, we will have the source and destination. So when the planning is running, that time system to understand where is the source and where is the destination. For that one, this transportation lanes will be useful. And here we can create the we can put the what is the cost for the transportation line and how much distance, so that we can calculate the how much time it will take for the delivery and how much cost is incurred. Like everything we will get a details based on this transportation lanes master data. So here normally how we are supplying from vendor to plant, we are supplying the components. So we need a transportation line from vendor to plant. So source is a vendor and destination is a plant. And then finished product from plant to DC we are sending. So we need a transportation line from plant to DC for the finished product. So source is the plant and destination is the DC. The same thing for example, if you want to give the direct delivery for the finished product to customer from the plant, then we need to create a transportation line from plant to customer for the finished product as a transportation line. Source is a plant and destination is a customer. Like that, from where to where you are sending. So those we have to create as a transportation line, as a source and a destination, so that the system will read this transportation line when planning, and it will decide, okay, I need to send from plant to DC or from vendor to DC, like this. This is getting from R3 as a purchase info record. Normally, based on the purchase info record, this master data is creating manually in the APO. Go to the transportation line, double click. So first we will create a from plant to DC we will create it. First way. Source is the plant. For example, we are sending the finished product from plant to DC. So first I will take the source start location as a plant and the destination as a DC and the model 000. Go to the create. So these transportation lines are like a product specific. So whatever the product we want to send, we need to give the products also. This is nothing but like a specific to the product. So go to the create product specific transportation lines. And here we have to select the product. This is the finished product. So from plant to DC we are sending only the finished product. So that is the reason I have selected the finished product. And the start date and the validity of this transportation line. We will take 1 year validity from today to next 1 year. And lot size and the production procurement cost and procurement priority. So if you want, we can maintain this cost also, and planning horizon. So in the optimization based on this cost inputs, it will calculate the cost, and then we can continue. Then we need to give the means of transport. So how we are transporting this product? For example, we are transporting using the truck. So I will select as a truck. And fix the transportation distance and give the transportation calendar. So based on that, it will take the what is the working days and non-working days. Whatever we have created the time stream ID, I will give the same calendar here. So whether the calendar is same, I am using the time stream ID. And the distance, you can give some distance. And how many hours it will take. And another important field is the TLB profile. We have created this in our profile field. So we will give that profile. So this is our profile. And if you want to maintain the transportation cost per hour, like those things also we can maintain it. So based on that, it will calculate the cost in the optimization and continue. And save it. Now we have created from plant to DC, and we need to specify the product also. This product from plant to DC we are sending. And the same plant to like a customer also we want to send. For example, if you want to give the direct delivery to the customer, so you can select the source as a customer. Create and select the product, group and lot size. And for customer, we need to select this option, direct delivery. So if you select this option here, and in the S&P global settings also, we need to select the direct delivery option. Then only it will allow you to send a finished product from plant to customer. Otherwise, it will not allow you. And the means of transport, we will use the same thing: calendar, time stream ID, distance, hours, per hour, how much cost, and everything we can maintain. And this is a mandatory field. Now we will create still we are another pending. One is the from vendor to plant. The component we are sending from vendor to plant. Now we will create a from vendor to plant. Here we have given the plant and the source is a vendor. The components we are getting from the vendor. So vendor to plant. Go to the create. So here we are selecting as a this one shop. First we will create for this product, and next we will select the other product. Like we are sending two components, so that is the reason we have to select two. So first I will select this one, and again I will select the means of transport. Continue this profile. Then we can create another one. This time it is a RMO, and we can use this option, copy option. It will copy it. So now these two components we are sending. These two components we are sending from vendor to plant. Then the truck and like this is the cost, all those things we can maintain it here and save it. This is the way we need to maintain the transportation lines. So now we have created all the master data. For example, location, product, and the resource, and the PPM, and the transportation line. Location, nothing but like a customer, vendor, plant, and DC, and the product, nothing but like a component with combination of the plant and the vendor, and the finished product with the combination of the plant, customer, and the DC, and the resource we have created one that is for like a assembling the components as a finished product at a plant location level, and we have created the PPM, that is nothing but like a BOM plus routing, like what are the components we are using and what are the finished products we are providing and which machine we are using and how many hours we are using and how much final consumption it will come and what are the cost. Everything we have maintained the PPM. And to identify the source and the destination, we are creating the product specific transportation lane. So this is the total master data for SMP.